Are you rocking a brand new Amazfit GTR 4? Do you think that you are using the watch to its full potential? I think you are not. And in this video, I will be sharing some of the tips and tricks that all Amazfit GTR 4 users should know. But before I begin with the tips, I would like to talk about some tips that I can't discuss right now. Amazfit has marketed various features like the ability to import your map support on GTR 4. This feature was introduced on T-Rex 2 and chances are all the features from that model would be migrated to this model. However, nothing is set in the stone, so I will recommend you to watch the T-Rex 2 tips and tricks video as well. Most tips shared in that video will be the same as well as both the watches are powered by Zepp OS. One of the things that I often forget to highlight or even talk about when discussing Amazfit watches is the workout tools. So where will you find them? Simply open whatever profile you use the most. Scroll below and you will find options like assistant, training and more. For instance, I mostly do cycling and running. Let's explore running workout tools. As you can see, I can set my workout goals. It can be based on aerobic or anaerobic effect, distance run, calories burned or duration. I can also set various heart rate alerts, distance, pace, cadence, water drinking alerts and a lot more. There is also a built-in interval training option also available. Depending on the profile, you will also find that there is also a built-in auto pause function. Enabling it will pause your workout activity automatically. So I would recommend exploring all the options and share which settings you found to be the most useful in the comments below. Pressing the crown button by default opens up the Alexa on your smartwatch. However, you can customize that to open some other app or shortcut that you might use often. I have set it to open music, but you can use it to open offline voice assistant, calendar, find my phone, camera control, stopwatch or more. To customize the button, go to settings, preferences and tap on the long press upper button option. Here you will find all the shortcut options. You can also set resting heart rate alert on your Amazfit GTR 4. After enabling it, if your heart rate is high or too low, you will get alerted by the watch. And here comes a friendly reminder to never consider any smartwatch a reliable alternative to medical grade devices. It can be a good tool for monitoring stress or managing your lifestyle, but it should not be considered the same as a medical grade device. Coming back to the video, to enable the heart rate alert, open the Zepp app, profile, Amazfit GTR 4, health monitoring, and here you can set your high and low heart rate alert. Now you will get an alert when your heart rate crosses or falls below the set threshold. Almost every one of us has heard our parents say, "Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise." And using the Amazfit GTR 4, you can get sunrise and sunset alerts. Enabling it will remind you about the sunrise and sunset 15 minutes beforehand. You can also monitor moon phase within the app. Not only that, you can also get tide data on your Amazfit GTR 4. This can be very useful for those of you who like to do surfing or any water-based sports. Unfortunately, there is no tide data available for my location. But if you do live near the coast, do share your experience with the watch. Also, I will recommend looking at Amazfit T-Rex 2 if you are into rough high-speed sports. You can check out my T-Rex 2 review using the I button. Also tap on that subscribe button. Speaking of surfing, any water-based sports activity like surfing and swimming can cause ghost touchscreen issues. Thankfully, Amazfit GTR 4 comes with screen locking feature. It prevents accidental touches while swimming or doing any other similar sports activity. Enabling it is pretty simple. Swipe from above, tap on this lock screen icon, and now your watch is locked and won't take any input either of buttons or touch display. The only way to exit the lock is by pressing and holding down the button. And it will continue getting locked automatically unless you disable the feature altogether. It is a pretty nifty but useful feature that can come in handy in various scenarios. Personally, I am no fan of AI services like Alexa, Assistant or Siri on smartwatches, and for some reason, idea of speaking to my watch, which then shares that info to my phone, is not ideal. Also, most of the things that you would want to do with an AI aren't even available most of the time. Thankfully, Amazfit comes with offline voice control, which is surprisingly robust. It allows you to quickly launch an app and work out with almost zero waiting time. To enable it, open the Zap app, tap on Profile, GTR4, Watch Settings, and go to Offline Voice Control. Tap on the Offline Audio Wake Up mode, turn on the Respond within 5 seconds after you turn your wrist, and respond within 5 seconds after the screen light on. Amazfit GTR4 comes with a built-in strength training profile. You can use it while doing strength training in the gym. To use this new feature, make sure that auto grouping is enabled under the assistant option on the strength training profile page. If it is not, make sure to enable it before beginning your workout. I wasn't able to test the strength training profile, so make sure to leave a comment about your experience with this new feature. By the way, I will be talking about it in my full in-depth review, so get subscribed. Almost all smartwatches today come with notification sync feature. But do you need notifications when you are using your phone? And that's what notification sync only when your screen is off option allows you to do. In the Zap app, you will find the option to turn on this feature under the notification and reminder feature of the app. Once enabled, the phone will only sync notifications to your watch only when you are not using your phone. There are so many alerts your smartwatch gives you that it can get frustrating sometimes. It can be a message, daily notification, sedentary reminder, incoming call, or other apps. You can't really set a ringtone or messaging alert sound on the smartwatch, but you can set a custom vibration. That's right, using the Zap app, you can create a custom vibration pattern for different apps. So you will be able to recognize what kind of alert you are getting without even looking. To do that, go to Sound and Vibration option under the watch settings. Click on vibration and select the notification you want to set custom notification for. Tap on Add to create a custom vibration pattern. While the Zap app is good in its own right, but it isn't perfect. It isn't as social as Strava, nor has widgets like Google Fit that you can place on your home screen. Thankfully, Zap allows you to connect your account to third-party services like Relive, Strava, Google Fit, and WeChat. Once you have connected your Zap account to any of the services, you will be able to sync all of your fitness data to them. I have connected my Zap account to Strava and Google Fit. Connecting your account also ensures that if in the future you opt for smartwatch from other brands, you won't lose all of your data. Using the Notify for Maps feature on the smartwatch, you can get Google Maps directions on your smartwatch. To enable it, you would also need to download Notify for Smartwatches app from the Play Store. After you have set up the app on your phone, you will start getting directions on your watch. You can check out my full how to set up the Google Maps direction feature using the I button. Speaking of notifications, leaving your watch unattended when you go to shower can mean others can snoop on your notifications. That's why Amazfit GTR4 comes with an off-wrist lock and password feature. As the name suggests, enabling this feature will automatically lock your watch as soon as you will take it off your wrist. And while the watch is locked, all your notifications, workout, and health data will remain inaccessible. To enable this feature, go to Watch Settings option on the Zap app and look for the off-wrist lock and password option. Click on it. On the next screen, click on Password. Set the 6-digit code, and now your GTR4 is password protected. You can also set the password on the watch itself by going to Preference under the Settings option. Amazfit GTR4 comes with built-in heart rate tracking widget that can give you a reading in 5 to 6 seconds. But what if I were to tell you that GTR4 can also display your heart rate in real time? All you need to do is download the real-time heart rate app on the watch from the App Store available in the Zap app. So guys, that was it from me today. But before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It would really mean the world to me and encourage me to make more videos like this. You can also check out our Amazfit GTR4 playlist. It should be coming on your screen right about now. See you next time.